Looking to renovate your home? Want to know the latest trends? Well, you're in the right place. Home renovation isn't just about a fresh coat of paint or new furniture, it's a way to increase your home's appeal and value. This video is your complete guide to understanding the importance of home renovation, exploring the latest trends, and getting hands-on with do-it-yourself projects that can transform your space into something truly special. So join us to discover the best ways to enhance your home's appeal and value. Every great renovation starts with a well-thought-out plan. This isn't just about choosing the right paint color or picking out stylish furniture. It's about understanding the scope of your project and making sure you're ready for the challenge. Planning is the backbone of any renovation. It's the compass that guides you through the storm of decisions and choices you'll need to make along the way. Whether you're fixing up a single room or overhauling an entire house, you need to know what you're getting into. Research is another crucial part of the planning process. You need to understand the materials and tools you'll be working with. Are you familiar with the latest energy-efficient appliances? Do you know the best type of wood for your new deck? These are the kinds of questions your research should answer. And let's not forget about budgeting. Renovations can be expensive, and costs can quickly spiral out of control if you're not careful. A detailed budget will help you keep track of your expenses and make sure you're not overspending. Consider everything from the cost of materials to the price of labor if you're hiring professionals. Time and effort are also significant factors. Renovations can be time-consuming and they require a lot of hard work. Make sure you're ready to commit to the project before you start. Remember, a well-crafted plan is the first step to a successful renovation. Now, let's dive into the latest trends in home renovation. The world of home improvement is constantly evolving, and today we'll explore some of the most popular trends that are making waves in 2024. First, let's talk about open floor plans. They've been a favorite for a while, and it's easy to see why. Open floor plans create a sense of spaciousness, allowing natural light to flood the home and making it seem larger than it is. This style encourages interaction and communication, making your home a hub for social gatherings. Next, we have the rising trend of using sustainable materials. As we become more conscious of our environmental impact, many homeowners are choosing materials that are renewable, recycled, or responsibly sourced. Bamboo flooring, cork walls, and reclaimed wood are all excellent examples of sustainable materials that can add a unique touch to your home while also reducing your carbon footprint. But the latest trend that's truly revolutionizing home renovation is smart home technology. Imagine being able to control your lights, thermostat, security system, and even your kitchen appliances with just a few taps on your smartphone. This isn't just about convenience. It's about creating a home that works smarter, not harder. Smart homes are energy efficient, secure, and customizable to your lifestyle. And let's not forget about the aesthetic appeal. These trends are not just about functionality, they also enhance the beauty of your home. Open floor plans give you a blank canvas to express your style. Sustainable materials add a touch of nature and a story to your space. Smart home technology, meanwhile, provides a sleek, modern look that's sure to impress. So there you have it. Open floor plans, sustainable materials, and smart home technology are the latest trends in home renovation. They're not just about keeping up with the Joneses. They're about creating a home that's comfortable, stylish, and kind to the environment. These trends not only make your home more beautiful, but also increase its value. Ready to get your hands dirty? Here's a step-by-step guide to a DIY home renovation. Our first step is all about dreaming big and getting those creative juices flowing. It's time to create a design plan. This involves imagining what you want your space to look like and then putting pen to paper. Sketch out your ideas, decide on a color scheme, think about what materials you'd like to use. This is your opportunity to let your personality shine through in your home. Next, we move on to acquiring the necessary permits. Every city and town has its own regulations when it comes to home renovations. It's important to do your research and make sure you're in compliance with all local laws. This might seem like a bit of a chore, but trust me, it's a lot better than dealing with fines or having to undo work later on. Now we're ready to take the plunge and purchase our materials. This is where your design plan really comes into play. You'll need to buy everything from paint and flooring to fixtures and furniture. It's always a good idea to shop around and compare prices before making any big purchases. And don't forget to take into account the cost of tools you might need to buy or rent. Once you've got all your materials, it's time to prep the space. This involves clearing out any furniture or belongings that could get in the way and protecting anything you don't want to be damaged during the renovation. This might include laying down drop cloths or using painter's tape to protect your floors and walls. Now for the fun part, executing the renovation. This is where you get to see your vision come to life. Whether you're painting walls, installing new flooring, or putting up new fixtures, make sure you take your time and do it right. Remember, the goal isn't just to make your space look good, but also to make sure it's functional and safe. Finally, once all the work is done, it's time to clean up and enjoy your newly renovated space. Sweep up any dust, wipe down surfaces, and get rid of any debris. Then, move your furniture back in, hang up your artwork, and start enjoying your new space. Remember, home renovation is a journey, not a sprint. It's important to take your time and enjoy the process, and don't be afraid to ask for help if you need it. There are plenty of resources out there for DIY enthusiasts, from online tutorials to community workshops. With these steps, you are well on your way to a successful DIY home renovation. Before we wrap up, here are some tips and tricks for a successful renovation. First off, know your limits. While it's fun to roll up your sleeves and get hands-on with a project, it's equally important to recognize when a task is beyond your skill set. For complex tasks, it's always a smart move to bring in a professional. This can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the line. Remember, it's not a failure to ask for help, it's a sign of wisdom. Next, be realistic about your timeline. Renovations rarely go as planned, and unexpected delays are par for the course. So, give yourself a buffer. Add extra weeks or even months to your initial timeline. This way, if things take longer than expected, you won't feel as stressed. Plus, if you finish ahead of schedule, it'll feel like a bonus. Budgeting is another crucial aspect of any renovation. It's common for costs to spiral out of control if you're not careful. So plan for unexpected expenses. Set aside at least 20% of your budget for unforeseen costs. This way, if you stumble upon hidden issues like faulty wiring or plumbing, you won't be left scrambling for funds. Furthermore, keep communication lines open. Whether you're working with a contractor or a family member, clear and consistent communication can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. Don't assume people know what you're thinking or what you want. Be clear about your expectations and always be open to feedback. Finally, remember to enjoy the process. Yes, renovations can be stressful, but they're also an opportunity to create a space that you love. So take a step back every once in a while and appreciate the progress you're making. With these tips and tricks, you can avoid common renovation pitfalls and ensure a smooth renovation process. That's all we have for you today on DIY home improvement projects, renovation trends. We've journeyed together through the planning stage, where we emphasize the importance of careful preparation and thoughtful design. We've explored the latest trends in home renovation, highlighting the value of staying current and incorporating innovative design elements into your projects. We walked step by step through a DIY home renovation, demonstrating that with the right tools, a bit of patience, and a lot of enthusiasm, anyone can transform their living space. We wrapped up with a selection of tips and tricks to ensure your renovation is successful and, more importantly, enjoyable. Remember, renovating your home is not just about increasing its value or aesthetics. It's about creating a space that reflects you, your style, and your personality. So gear up, get creative, and let your home tell your story. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks on home renovation. Until next time, happy renovating!